Room, people. Yes, man, you already know what time it is, you know. Today, then a reaction with back in the war. Yes, me and say what I do today. Today we actually here with Tommy Lee's son. You see me and say I'm not too familiar with Tommy Lee's son as far as music goes. I'm gonna be honest. But apparently Skirdle Sparta is Tommy Lee's son. Apparently he might take on Joshy for Tommy Lee. You see me and say, cause I don't know, Joshy run out to the tune action and he might be things and in this Tommy Lee and all type of thing. Like Skirdle, like Tommy Lee say, yo, Joshy on the level. You see me saying, no, the son look like Skirdle Sparta. We'll check it out and say dog I deal with. We know all the vibes. Let's get it.
Yeah, dog.
All up on the cover, Tom and Josh in a coffin and everything, brother. Suit up, clean.
Some boy.
Skirt the pot of beer. Let's get it.
Be a short, them a short by mic. Look a fucking shit.
Be a short, them a short by mic.
Brother, suck out the mother dog. Fucking darkness. Plant the bait for jaw out the snake. Post nation, your gun, them a terminate. Shot slam in a face and lick out veneer. People all him a go on, yeah, me know him friend. Me say everywhere me chop and I look for strength. Spray down you all care when you a look for skank.
Everywhere my circle, I look for strength. Let's get it.
Ratty Sparta, we no beg no friends. I chop back in your mother and go and go dead.
Ratty Sparta, okay. Ratty and Ratty gang and Sparta gang link up. Go on, show.
Shit like I rip off your face and I rip out the clothes. And I run out the ears, blood I run out the nose. Shut I pluck out the eye and I pluck out the soul. But I mush out the windscreen, run off the road. Wanna run off your beak, let me show you me cool. Remember the dance so you can't come back home. Step on the road.
By dance you can't come back home. You can't touch Fuka yard. Jeez, I'm piano me as I say no. I Skirdle says so. And a black rhino says so. What?
Chance slaughter the goat. You must see the dead boy and start fraud foam. Still pass on your file, make you can't go road. Crash your career fast like a plane can go. Get you
Silk boss run Joshy file, making can't go road. How are you say? How are you say? Oh, that go, Silk boss.
Dead boy and start fraud foam. Still pass on your file, make you can't go road. Crash your career fast like a plane can go. Get you run cheap slippers, you kill the road. Try the Draco off fire like summer blow. If up the bro.
Cheap slippers kill the road. Man say man take on you like a cockroach. You cheap slippers.
Mine's me clean up. 9x a press on the rifle in my steam shot. When we a spin black on my eye, my heat up. Turn it on them when the pussy them a creep up. Me know you for your keep up, shut a bust through your knee cup. That the murder the quacko, and me murder the weak shot.
So you know it's hard for you keep up, shut a bust through your knee cup. You get it? Like. Because you know so when you keep up, you use a foot but sometimes you use a knee part. So you can't keep up because shot through your knee cup. Alright.
Me know you for your keep up, shut a bust through your knee cup. That the murder the quacko, and me murder the weak shot. Head tap it a hope, me can't plaster tape up. Dark me evil and Kratos. When we are run out panaps, you are run out to feds and a snitch. Never see the
man say when I run out panaps, I run out to feds and snitch blow.
When we are run out panaps, you are run out to feds and a snitch. Never see the car beside of you when Hot Wheels empty the clip. Touchdown a grand, spend the place where you want up. Me and lift up your jelly when the rifle focus. He switch demons head, we hope not. Think him bust back the roach of him hopes up. Panic.
Clean, man say, go and your place a grand spend, brother. You see me and say, man say, I say clean,
Think him bust back the roach of him hopes up. Panic swamp top where him body a float up. At the end of the basket, full it up a cocoa. Big cap of them badness, it book up. Shot I ring them for it and give them a low cut. You can't go Spain, you can't go flanker. A bad man place make you stink like a pampas. Rifle we bust sound like a tanker. Give them gunshot like charity sponsor. Set up it on the chip.
Like a charity man, them send bullet to you, Josh.
He them gunshot like charity sponsor. Set up it on the chip. Who on them a broke up on a split. Hiding body, fling it in a pit. Tony Panny Judas very quick. I headshot and no me never miss. Chick like I report the chest and I report the clothes. Blood I run out the ears, blood I run out the nose. Shot I pluck out the eye and I pluck out the soul. Shot I mush out the windscreen.
Skirdle Sparta. Me not lie to you. I first me hear a tune from your Skirdle, but hey, you can't keep it up, you know. Keep it up. You see me? You hear a sound, your creativity, everything, dog. Hey.
Run off a road, run off your beak, let me show you me cool. Remember the dance so you can't come back home. Step on the road and slaughter the goat. You must see the dead boy and start fraud home. Suck your mother. But
I want to see your body and start fraud phone catch fits. Better start foam up. Seizure.
boy, feel my head and tell where I go on with.
Where am I going with?
Look at work, man. It's not even ball I can't play. Kingston beating stick. Suck your mother.
Kingston beating stick. Jesus, please. That a go on? That a go on, Joshy? Tommy don't even see as a word the opponent say nothing. Son for your top Lord, cleat, come beat on and come bang, bang. And even me and say no people know. I know anything about that. You see me and say Skirdle Sparta, you know, and Joshy wicked to blows and Skirt, Milly's son. Hey, Skirdle. Me not too familiar with your true name, but you can have a blow future in the game, man. You see me, you can have a future in the game, man. You just have to continue because you have a little sound, you have a little flow there. You see me I say? Yeah, man. So I know how to go on people. You see me I say? Yeah, man. Joshy beat. Josh, I mean, Skirdle part of the name, beat, man. They got flow, they got chat some things. You don't know. You run off your place. You see me down box you down. You see me and say, dog say, yo, yeah, look hype, cockroach, step on your cheeks. Hey, you don't know anything about that in the comment section, guys. This is for you, the guys, to decide. You see me, I don't pick no side. You see me, have Uno for decide who are the winner. Uno. You see me? We just are presented to Uno. And you see me, I say, I react to it. But Uno really need to decide the winners. You see me, I say, but hey, me like how every artist are going there, war, me not lie to you. Yeah, man, it's a vibe. Love it. Good look for culture. Gang, I'm out. Drop a comments. Let's get it.